welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. FKJGP supports Mausanram Dorbarshnong's decision. Launch of book on teacher counselling empowers educators in Shillong. Malki village to elect 2 new headmen. And JHADC introduces amendment bill for constituency changes and village relocations. And now the news in detail. On August 7th, the FKJGP Southeastern Zone Mausanram Block village leaders convened under the guidance of Kermen Shangdyar, General Secretary, to address concerns over the proposed establishment of a worship site at Khhuborjylla cave. Emphasizing the area's status as a captivating tourist destination, the leaders urged neighboring villages to refrain from permitting any groups to establish religious facilities at the cave. They also appealed to the KHADC to endorse the Dorbarshnong Mausanram stance on preserving the natural beauty of the cave. While affirming respect for all religions, the leaders clarified that their opposition stems from the desire to maintain Khhuborjylla as an international tourist attraction renowned for its natural marvels.
Stop na.
To na kaliang dungi kaseng FPP lese ki pajba no Peit YouTube lese kila bandong siga FPP keja habri be isu Khhuborjylla ya ke bakador basnong Mausanram kalami sekhmat ban pisai halor tiga jaka keba ki para ki reuniam Hindu timur ban pendong ya ka yatra kati jaka Dre na kaliang jungi kum kaseng FPP Southeastern Zone kaba dre na kawi kiseng kaba Peit Parmanlam ya ki Peit ngor ya ka Julong Juman dong katong kathan nanduk kabah kamiat karo kapa baka susuk susang te kani kadai kawi ni kimat kabakta ya ka susuk susang hakadong kathan ku jungi te hadin bangi leyo ban ya kendu ya urang basnong bat ya ki dekat dong ka step Dorbarshnong jong snong Mausanram nileyo pura ka jinsai naki habadai bat kene ka isu nilas ngutu ba kim klem song thai nanduk kasnam ada khat riu haduk menta kiya khi kiya ksai kumnu ban yada ya kati jaka ba kanom dei ban long ka jaka mane belai ndri kadai ban ne ban sa kumba ublei trai kenrat ulai kerpang ya ka snong Mausanram ya kati ka jaka ka jing internet jongka ka Dorbarshnong ka yang hatlor takanorim ban penek pensa ya kati ka jaka kum ka jaka jong kai perthai ka ba ki turis keleng na ka ya ka ri jong kari ka jungi ki wan keleng ban Peit ya kati jaka nama ka don ni ka jing internet ka bakerbang te kumta na keleng jungi kaseng hadin bangi la ya kendu ya ka step Dorbar jong ka snong Mausanram ka bala yang skam triang hakanorim ban persa ya ka jing wan niam jong ki reuniam Hindu hakasipo bat khatwei terik katkum ki lat pathai Khubor ki bangi layo sngo te kumta naliang jungi kum kaseng ru i ai ki jing kersan ka bapura ya ka Dorbarshnong Mausanram.
Clarabel Malngyang, Legal Provision Officer of the District Child Protection Unit East Khasi Hills, unveiled the book Counseling and Communication Skill for Teachers at a gathering attended by Reverend Father Joe Prabhu, Director of Don Bosco Integrated Development Society, BITS, and educators from various schools in Shillong. The launch took place on August 7th at the Society's Hall in Shillong, Thamai. The book aims to equip teachers with enhanced abilities to comprehend and address the contemporary challenges faced by children. With many parents occupied and having limited time for their children, teachers play a crucial role in imparting manners, hygiene, and personal and family well-being. The initiative underscores the importance of educators in nurturing the holistic development of young learners in today's dynamic environment.
Jing betelenti kamtam haka akor keburung mat kumjuru kamtam haka jing mucing berkat ke jungki namar ba bun sien ki khna haba kim yo banya phliu jing mut kamtam hayeng hasem kumjuru mat ki parlo projor ting ting ki shin ni kindet kilat kilinti giba bakala bat nakabenta kum kita ki khna laradon lengba kan ikakot balak banyarap ya kikna makin yo ya kata ka jingikai bat kamtam ru nakabenta ki nong hikai makin na ban yo ke guidelines kumno makin approach lanikin betul nanti na makin ya yang lenti ke bedai bat banum ya lambak lai ki kan long ke bayarap shibun nakabenta ki na school kamtam school bakher ka office jungi ke dei ka district child protection unit Badan Hapok Social Welfare Department, Badan Hapok Lowala Shumer. Te Bonsien nakaliang jong ka Education Department ni Jordan gaji kendu. Andre nakaliang jong ka Child Friendly Shillong bade kishim ya gani galat nakabenta banirap kat tu kat ni ki benta kamtam ni ki school ki badan ki jong ki Shillong ki bakidan Hapok kani ka jing ya tray lambat ki yo ya gani badan chira. Nakaliang jungi ka government kadi ka district child protection unit ka train ka benta ka jingada ya kihna te nakaliang jungi iba kani ru ka way na gibenta ka bang don kam bangin pekmi kamtam ya em lang sa lang namar ka laway jungi kihna ki digilaway jungi nakata kini ki ki guidelines na minta kinuhi kay kumno ban deal bat kihna kamde nam taban sami hina.
Anthony Lingdo Nongbri, Secretary of the Election Committee for Malki Village, has announced the upcoming election of 2 local headmen scheduled for August 10th at Malki ground from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. The voting will be followed by ballot counting at 3 p.m. with results expected on the same day. 3 candidates are in the running: Bandara Wajri, PK Sotun and Tamdo Khongwir, each represented with their photos on the ballot. Nongbri emphasized that voting will be conducted strictly via ballot papers, urging all villagers to participate in the electoral process. A curfew will be enforced during polling hours, permitting only students in the midst of examinations and individuals requiring hospital visits to leave the village. Normal entry into Malki will remain unrestricted during this period.
Rang bak senong bertemai jong senong ya ka dorbar kalbu lembaga election committee ba pembek ya kani ka kam kani ka jingjir ya rang bak senong arngut kanlong hakani ka sipotrik jong mentau benai arajar usau hangni apo madan Malki kapor banjir ikirang bak senong kanlong nadu kapor prabaji mestep adu khandai adu arbaji mensi om kumbalapan benan ningkong khandai baji takari kapor ka jing paglan kaliang ka dorbar bat hagaju kasingi on sanyo ya ki votes jong kini ki rang bak senong bertemai kapan long hakapor lai baji mensi kata ka di kapor bangin nyo ya ki votes bat nakaliang ka senong idon lain ngut kirang bak ki bala file nomination nak benta banyakun ya kanika kamrang bak senong po ka senong Malki kita gilong iba Bandara Warjri iba Tamdu Khongwir bat iba PK Sotun kini ki laingut kidi kirang bak ki ba lada ban file kan nomination bat ka election committee gelap pedang ya kan nomination jengki ban yakun ya kan ka kam election rangwa senong apo ka senong Malki bat hagaju kapor ka dorbar hagajing lang barang sudah belong hunen kasi kalarai ba kanton ka jingkhang senong apo ka senong Malki hagani ka siphotorik kepada kesini jet orang Pak Senong. Henry la pelaj no ya ki school ki college ki badan apa upur sam yang Senong malki ki badan apa deng ki exam but kumjuri ki office rekam ki badan apa Senong malki kandom don kanu jingkang nak benta jongki but kani kadika kalong ru nak benta kitu ki badan kami ya kam ka bakerki kum ki hospital ki kuai but nakaliang ka election committee hi kai wer ya borok kinong Senong bakin nyemi pajba ha ka tu kesni ban pendap ila ka jong kahok ha ka banjit ila jong rong Pak Senong arngut ngin yo kirang Pak Senong bakin jet aku tu kesini pok mana malki nang baki kam jo Senong kinya chamat but menu balak banjit menu balak banjit mentah kan kam jet orang Pak Senong dorbar hi lembak election committee gelarai batang ki try Senong ki badai ki nong Senong jo Senong malki ki badai ru ki khasi ila ban simentah ka banjit ya kirang.
In a special session convened on August 7th, CEM Khuborjylla of Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC introduced the Constitution of District Council JHADC Amendment Bill 2024. This bill proposes changes to constituencies, including the renaming of some and the relocation of villages across constituencies. Developed and endorsed by the Delimitation Committee of JHADC, the bill follows public hearings conducted last month at various locations. The amendment aims to update constituency boundaries and optimize representation, reflecting shifts in population and demographics. The proposed changes involve both renaming existing constituencies and reassigning villages to different electoral areas, aiming to ensure equitable and effective local governance within Jantia Hills.
Akan listi terhadap umum mulai Inggris ini tumat aduh tadi apa susah nou discuss bestellen nou bestellen daar eigenlijk discuss bestellen gaan we nu wou discuss bestellen pasti jadi menurut perusahaan yang Inggris yang umum yang positif dan mundur dan
Two leaders of the Khasi Students Union, KSU, Ulysses Rentong and Korbarlang Merthong from Maushinrut Circle, West Khasi Hills, have been summoned by the Maushinrut police station for their alleged involvement in the raid on foreign workers lacking proper work permits. Accompanied by John Fisher Nong Siang, President, Franklin Im Yong, General Secretary, and other KSU members, they appeared before authorities questioning the consequences for those who bring in undocumented foreign workers. The incident underscores the KSU stance on enforcing legal provisions regarding foreign labor in the region, prompting discussions on regulatory measures and their enforcement by government agencies.
Metalsni nila wanane tanat hadin ba nila yo yaga sti samon naka Maushinrut police station halor kanongrim ba ni laikhanra ba talasi ya ki mender ki bawan trai bi an apo kadong katany te ndrei ka basolongo kalong wala semladon mano ba ai ujor lane ijahar te ndrei kila kot ini bat kila pengat haki katu katne teli ki kendon te ni kwa manbu kadak jingkeli menta kalong hato ka police department lane ka sarkar ka perkhat kumno pat ya kini ki riusumet bat ki kontraktor ki bawara ya ki breu ki badamar ki bam penbiang ya ki kot kisla wat ban pencisa ru ba ki de kita kinong India ha ka ba kila penkeng ya ka interstate migrant workmen act ka khat khandai spa nyup khandai ka bla pentre kampura ha ka jela jungi ha ujar khatwei bat kumjo ki bala penkeng ru ya ka child labor act ka khat khandai spa rapendreu ka ba persya ban phatrai ki khna ki bang hapo ka khalai snem te hendrei ha ka jinglek khra jungi ngilap ya kita kum ki bro ting soman ong ba kane ke jing persang jong ka sarkar ka datang ke jing persang ban the umpuja ya ka mensim yele jungi kum ki samla tendreng soman ong ba kane kanang ai mensim penban ini banginang yai yele banang yai pengor susu ya ke jing wan rum klep jong ki mender hapo kadong kathany bat ha ka jelahi barok hawai susu kani ka jingle jongka police department hak simenta ka pensat ini nginang mut bangiwan hangni menta kin reward lane kin ai.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.